kicked out of them for no reason. Nah, man, sorry. In Pomona, somebody got their ass kicked. They got the ghetto bird. Circlins. What's up, internet land? Hanging out with the chicks. Michelle over here, fucking hiding from the camera. Fucking Noah over here. I guess 2 gangbangers kicked the shit out of somebody.
Really?
Yeah, I guess so.
How do you know that?
That's what people have been saying. Filming it, going on the MySpace. Exclusive. Metal Fest.
I heard something different.
Really? What'd you hear now?
Something happened over here, and that's why these girls were hitting the guy, and that's why he bolted across the street.
Oh, some dude hit some chicks or something? Oh. Dude, they even have a police fucking Segway.
Yeah.
The bus will get the fuck out of the way. Police Segway. Chilling.
I wonder if it has lights.
Pomona has cops have nothing else fucking better to do. They need 6 cop cars, the ghetto bird, and a fucking Segway. Division Divide Metal Fest 2010. Latest.